In the last video, we have been setting up our React.js projects, our frontend. Everything should be running for you smoothly, and on a localhost 5173, you should see your React.js application. Now, let's continue and let's start preparing SUI environment. Let's begin. Okay, so to install SUI, we can go to official documentation of SUI. Just search here for SUI documentation in your browsers. And here's a section, getting started, install SUI. To install SUI is actually just one command. On Macs, you just need to, in your terminals, brew install SUI. And on Windows, use the Chocolatey. And with the Choco, you can install SUI as well. All right, so now, first thing first, we need to Homebrew. Okay, so if you want to use the Homebrew command, you need to have a Homebrew installed on your Macs. And if you want to use Choco, you need to have a Chocolatey, whatever it's spelled. Okay, so let's start with the Homebrew for our Mac users. To install Homebrew, just here is a link for a Homebrew. Okay, so we can just navigate to this link. Here it is, missing package manager. Here is the command. You can see, just copy this command, copy terminal, and open here a new folder or new tab in your terminal. You can open new tab by pressing Ctrl-T or Command-T. Open new tab and just paste this command here. Okay, press enter and this should install for you Homebrew. I already have it, so I'm not going over it. I have very slow internet currently. And okay, if you don't add sudo access, just need to type your password on your Macs. Okay, so I'll type my password, press enter, and this will start installing. Okay, so I just want to abort it because I already have it. Okay, what you need to do on Windows, so that's for our Mac users. What you need to do on Windows. By the way, when it's already installed for you for Macs, you can type here brew command, and you should see here example usages. Okay, now Windows. Here is the Chocolatey. You can just go here, get started. There should be installation guide. There should be also just few commands. Just give me a second to locate it. No. We don't want to register it now. 1 second, I will navigate here. Okay, so here, try it now. This button up here, click try it now. Skip this first step. Know the requirements. So you should have a PowerShell installed. I already talked about this in first lecture, so PowerShell. And here are the actual steps to install Chocolatey for individual users. Open first your terminal PowerShell. I think it should be open as administrative shell. So if you don't know how to open it as an administrative shell, just go on this link, and this pretty much explaining this how to open your command prompt as an administrator. I think you just need to right click on the command prompt and just open it as an administrator, and that's it. Okay, so either you can use command prompt or PowerShell. Okay, let's get back here. What's important here is actually to get these commands here. So you see here with PowerShell, you must ensure get execution policy is not restricted. Okay, so there's some suggestions. So ultimately, what you need to do is this command here. So you will get this command, get execution policy. You will get it here. You will run it. Okay, of course I am on Mac, so it doesn't work for me. So that's only for Windows. If it returns restricted, then run this. So if it's restricted, run this. Okay, so you will run this. On Windows, you should see some results. And then this entire command. So we'll get this command. Okay, and you will just get it here. Okay, so that's what you need to do on Windows. And then paste the command. Okay, wait for a few seconds for command to complete. It should install it. And then if you don't see any errors, you are ready to use Choco. And then you should be able to write the Choco in here. And you should see something, of course. So that's for the Windows users. Okay, so on the Macs we have a brew, on Windows Chocolatey. Okay, and now just this command, brew install SUI. Just go here, press it here, paste it, press enter, and it will start installing. Okay, I already have it, so I canceled it. This can take, depending on your internet speed, a few minutes. All right, and for Windows user Chocolatey, install, copy, paste, and this should install for you SUI. Okay, so we have this. Also, if you don't have, you should get a Git I should actually install it in the previous video. I kind of forgot about it. I suppose you already have you have a Git. So if you're planning to get a GitHub repository, push your code to GitHub repository, I would highly suggest to use a GitHub. And for this, you need Git. So I'll just search here for Git download. And again, installation, you can do it with a Homebrew. You can use the different installer methods. The simplest one is here from the download. So on a macOS and Windows. So Windows, just download install depending on your system, 32-bit or 64. I think nowadays everybody is 64. And on Mac, again, you can just use brew. See, there's a command, and when you get it to the terminals, you should be able to write here git-v, and this should list your Git version. Okay, so what we have just installed, we have installed SUI. So now you should be able also to write here SUI, and you should have these commands here, or just get here SUI -v doesn't work. Why? It's dash that version. Okay, so it's SUI and capital V, and that's our version, or dash version. Okay, so that's our SUI version. With the SUI, we can, with this, what we have installed, we can use the command line command. So we can use the command line interface. We can create the transactions to the SUI blockchain, and we can communicate with the SUI blockchain. So the SUI is just a blockchain as any other blockchain. So main point of the blockchain is to make transactions to them, communicate with them, store the data, send them money through it or tokens, create NFTs, use the applications for gaming, and all of this stuff I will be talking about throughout the videos as we'll be coding. So I don't want to bother you with all of this theoretical stuff right now. What you need to know, so is a blockchain. It's pretty fast blockchain. It can process lots of transactions at the same time. It has very small delay. So it's very good for example, for gaming applications. So the latency is very, very low. Okay, I will give you all the explanations as we're going through the course. Now, and the result of this video should be that you're able to get here SUI-v, and you should see your SUI versions, and then you're ready for the next video. Okay, so see you next video. Cheers.